Hey everybody, this is Robin over at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. I am the loyalty manager and also the product specialist for Mazda's current lineup on vehicles. Today we're going to do a little challenge. This is going to be me demonstrating what I know about the vehicles and how I differentiate them. So I do have my assistant helping me today. This is called Name Your Grill. And what he'll be doing is he's going to actually show me the front grille of a vehicle, and we're going to see if I know my product. All right, first vehicle, let's take a look. All right, so this is going to be a 2025 Mazda 3. And I can tell that based on the pattern on the grille here, that fine honeycomb print, and that is right, 2025. Next up, this is going to be a 2024 CX-50. Again, you can tell by the pattern on that grille. Also, the CX-50 is meant to be a little bit more rugged, so it's going to have more of this biocarbonate trim on it. Let's see what's next. All right, this one is new to our lineup. This is a 2025 Mazda CX-70. Reason I can tell on that, CX-70 is going to have a couple of additional air dams here, but also the pattern of the grille on the 70s is going to lay horizontal. Next up, this one is a 2024 Mazda CX-90, and I can tell that, again, based on that grille pattern, it goes vertically on the 90s. There is no air dams, but also this specific color, the artisan red, is only available on the CX-90s. All right, next. This is a 2024 Mazda CX-30. This is in the Soul Red. So again, CX-30. And the reason you can tell is because on the CX-30s, the grille actually wraps a little bit further than it does on the 5s. And this would be our last one. This is a 2024 Mazda CX-50. No, 2024 Mazda CX-5, sorry. Carbon edition. There you go. So I know my product. Next video, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to quiz a couple of our coworkers. But again, remember, when you guys are ready, we have the full Mazda lineup, and we are here to help. Have a good day. Thank you.